In today's video, we're going to be talking about this ring light that I purchased from Amazon. I think it's called Neewer. Yeah, so this is going to be an unboxing video because I really needed a ring light because as you can see, this light right here is not the best. So here is the box unopened. Yeah, I'm kind of filming this in my hand, so sorry about that. I really don't have anyone to help me. I think I need a scissors or something. So I'm assuming this part right here is the tripod stand, because it's big, so why not, right? The struggles of doing this by yourself! Okay, so this is the bag right here. It feels very hard. Yeah. Okay. Open this bad boy up before I break something, you know? Okay. I don't exactly know what this is, but we'll open that up in a minute. So here is the ring light itself. Okay. I think you have to put the actual lights in, or are these the lights? I don't know. We'll get into that. Okay, so this is just the bag then. Yeah, that's just the bag. So let's start opening these boxes. You know, I'm kind of glad that this thing comes with a tripod, because I honestly need a tripod at this point. Shoot. Okay. So these right here, I'm assuming are the different light settings. There's like 1, 2, 3, 4 of them. And they actually do come with like instructions or whatever. Thank God. Okay, so these are the instructions. I'm not reading those. Okay. Ooh. Okay, so cool. It comes with this if it would focus. If it would focus. It comes with this camera thing. Like tripod. We're just gonna call it the clicky tripod remote. There we go. So this is for the phone. If you're holding the phone, this is what that's for. For the ring light. And then this right here. They're the different lights that you can put on this thing right here. And I'm assuming you just plug this in. So we'll see. So this right here is the tripod. Ow. Out you go. Okay. Alrighty. So we have this out. I don't know how you do this. I'm assuming you turn this knob right here, since there's a knob to the side to make it slacker. Nope, that's making it tighter. Oh. Eventually I'm gonna need someone to help me with this video, because... So we have this stand here and some sort of light, I guess. Let's see. Let's just start with this, shall we? Don't laugh at me, I'm awkward. Because, like, I don't know how to set it up, so I'm trying. What is this? Oh, I'm dumb. Because I was like, yo, what? So like this. Okay. Okay. There we go. Now we're popping. Trying to see how to do it. Does it not go on like this? There you go. It feels like it's gonna like fall or something. Maybe that's just how it is, I don't know. Okay. And then there's something we have to plug in here. Okay. Alright, we getting somewhere. We getting somewhere. Look at it. See, all of this with no instructions.
It didn't come with any instructions?
No, it has instructions.
Oh.
Am I gonna read it? No. Am I putting it on right?
No.
No. Is it over here then? Nope.
Yeah.
Yep, because I'm dumb. Alright, bro. Alright, get somewhere. Shit, there we go. Okay. It was like, we're not working today. Shit, I'm about to plug this in, see how it works. But let me turn off the light though. Oh, there it is.
Oh, wow. Oh.
Yeah, it's bright as hell. Oh, is it too bright? Yeah. Okay, so this thing has like dimming qualities up, all the way up. Bright, dark. Okay. I would say let's try the orange, but that's like a lot of work. Hey guys, this is the tripod setting on the white, and right here I have are the yellow. I'm assuming that with the different ones they put out different hues or different like light valves. So right here I'm gonna test the light quality when I turn it down and then all the way up. Yeah, if you have any questions about this tripod slash ring light, you can leave your questions down below. I will try to get back to you, and like and subscribe.